Hi, I'm Michelle Spitzer, and welcome to Your Health with Dr. Stephanie. Today we're talking about vitamin D supplements and why it's so important to get enough vitamin D in your diet. Thanks for joining us, Dr. Herodopoulos.
Thank you.
Now, living in Florida, I think a lot of us just assume that we get enough exposure to vitamin D through the sunlight, but that's not always the case, is it?
No, it's not. We use sunblock a lot, which is good. We need to protect our skin from getting skin cancer, but we also need to produce vitamin D in our skin as well.
Now, what exactly is vitamin D and why do we need to take it?
Well, it's a fat-soluble vitamin that we do produce a certain degree in our skin, but we also need to take it through our food and supplements to have a normal level. We need it for many body functions.
And what foods can we find vitamin D in?
Mainly fish, tuna, mackerel, and salmon. Also egg yolks, and milk and orange juice and cereal have it fortified in it.
Why is it so important to get vitamin D?
Well, because vitamin D causes so many problems when it's deficient.
Okay.
You can get osteoporosis, you can get rickets, you can have heart problems as well as problems with your immunity and depression and low energy when you're deficient in it.
I understand a new study recently came out about strokes related to a lack of vitamin D.
Yeah, well, there was a 21,000 study that just released this past week of patients, and it showed that at a higher dose of vitamin D, you actually have a lower stroke risk. So it could be preventative as well.
And it's pretty simple to get tested for vitamin D, correct?
Just go to your doctor's office and ask for a simple blood test. Vitamin D, it could be done at your next physical.
Great, thanks. Well, I appreciate you coming in today, giving us all this good information. And like Dr. Herodopoulos said, do not assume you get enough vitamin D just because you're living here in Florida. If you would like more information, you can visit Your Health with Dr. Stephanie in Florida Today's Health section on Thursdays or visit floridatoday.com.